Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this gorgeous Range Rover Autobiography in Aruba. This car's previously had only one owner and is next due for a service in January 2022. This is a 4.4 V8. As you can see, you have a 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys, giving the car a real luxury appearance. You also have the preconditioning, so you can set the temperature of your car before you even get in it, which is handy in winter. A powered tailgate with plenty of space there in the boot, and your mats ready to go into the car. You also have an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one, and is great for towing things such as caravans, boats and jet skis. Going round into the back, you have space there for 3 passengers. You also have an electrically folding armrest and reclining seats, ensuring all your passengers have a real luxury journey. Going into the front, you also have a keyless entry, so if I lock the car, I can open it just by pulling the handle as long as the key's nearby. Illuminated autobiography tread plates and a lovely leather interior which is easy to clean. You have a sliding panoramic roof which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today, or just for a bit of fresh air. Cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys and want to keep refreshments cold, or as we enter summer to keep drinks cool in the hot car. You have heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. They are also massage, which makes each journey relaxing, and you have various different settings to choose from. If I put the car into reverse, you'll see you have a rear view camera, and you also have a 360-degree surround camera, which really does make parking and reversing so much easier. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone, along with timed climate, which, as I said, you could set the temperature for a certain time. You also have a deployable tow bar, which you can control from inside the car, saves you even having to get out, and ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from. And you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning, cruise control, and you do also have blind spot monitor. All of those are helpful for driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must on a cold winter morning. Memory seats throughout the car, which is handy for several people in and out. And a Meridian sound system for better quality sound. This car's done 13,877 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, you also have soft door close. And that was a lovely Range Rover Autobiography at Stafford Land Rover. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.